studio, and today we're going to be doing a technique exercise. This one involves time steps. So it's actually going to involve like singles, doubles, and triples as far as time steps. But if you don't know how to do a double or you don't know how to do a triple yet, that's okay. I have a step tutorial playlist down below, and you can like go find the video of the time step that you need to learn, click on it, practice it, and then come back to this video. Or the option is, if you only know single time steps, that's okay. Just do singles for every single section, and then maybe when you learn doubles, switch them in. And then maybe when you learn triples, switch them back in. But for the purposes of today, you can just do singles. Like, that's fine. So the pattern is going to be single, single, break, or double, double, break, triple, triple, break, break. So the break is a different kind of time step. I don't know, I don't think I invented it, but I wasn't taught it. I kind of just like put it together. I'm sure I didn't invent it. I'm sure it has a different name. I just have a name for it. I just one day was messing around with rhythms and was like, oh yeah, I think I was choreographing the Nutcracker when I made it, because the song was in 3/4. So I had this like sort of kind of a waltz time step kind of thing. Sure, I call it a waltz time step, but I'm saying that may not be its official name, and I'm pretty sure I didn't invent it. Although if I did, please somebody let me know if I totally invented this, because I would love to have a tap step named after me one day. Kind of like how gymnasts get things named after them. Oh, that'd be so nice. But anyway, so we have, the pattern is single, single, break, double, double, break, triple, triple, break, break, extra long break. Like spring break, which I'm on right now. Okay, so also, little controversial when it comes to time steps. This is starting on 1. Traditionally, time steps start on 8, but for the pattern to work, this has to start on 1. And sometimes I love when my time steps start on 1, because I want that like, kind of a downbeat. And that's okay, because as a musician, I love having the freedom to start my phrases wherever I want. As a composer, as a musician, you have that ability. You can start your phrases wherever you want. It's just so cool. So I know traditionally time steps start on 8. I am not debating that. That's absolutely cool. But today, these time steps are starting on 1. So let's have some fun with it. All right, so we have 2 single time steps. We have stomp, hop, step, stomp, hop, step, step. Then it goes into this waltz time step. It's stomp, hop, shuffle, step, stomp, hop, shuffle, step, ball, change. So going through that, I'll teach the waltz time step first and foremost, then we'll go into the pattern. So it's stomp, hop, shuffle, step, and then do that again. Stomp, hop, shuffle, step, and then a ball change. Now, these are different from triple time steps. When you do a triple time step, your shuffle is quick. These are not quick shuffles. These are open. See what I mean? It's not a da-da-da, it's da-da-da. So you have to open up your shuffle, do brush, brush, step instead of brush, brush, step. You know what I mean? So the timing goes 1 and 2. I counted that completely wrong. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and. That's the timing. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and. And then the ball change is 7. So let's just do the waltz time step together. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Okay? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stomp, hop, shuffle, step, stomp, hop, shuffle, step, ball, change. So go run one right after the other. No breaks in between. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. One more time just to make sure we got it, and then we'll try it after the singles. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so it's kind of like a catch step. Make sure it's step, ball, change. Don't miss a step. So 2 singles and then that. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kind of? All right, let's try that again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So what do we do from there. We did single, single break. Now we're just gonna try adding double, double break and triple, triple break. And again, if you don't do triples, but you do singles and doubles, just do another set of doubles in place of the triples. Or if you don't do doubles or triples, you just do singles. Just do singles every single time. It's totally fine for the purpose of this exercise. Cool? All right, so let's try single, single waltzes, double, double waltzes, triple, triple waltzes. Let's give it a shot. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a lot to put together. I'm not even gonna lie, I totally messed up the first run, and that's why there was a little like in the video. It's a lot. Let's try it one more time, and then I'll teach the final break, and then we can set it to some music. All right, so one more time, same thing. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, walk. This last part, it's actually way easy. It's only 4 of the waltz time steps. You just do them one after another. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you finish it off with a paradiddle stamp. So it's 4 stomp, hop, shuffle, step. So 4 of those, paradiddle stamp. So let's try that. The hardest thing is controlling your last waltz time step into the paradiddle. And I'm sorry, if there is already something called a waltz time step and I'm using that phrase, I do apologize. This is what I have it's like how I write it, but I know it doesn't really have a name, at least as far as I know. So I do apologize if I'm confusing anyone. It's just easy for me to say. So we have 4 of those and then a paradiddle stamp. The hardest part is controlling the last one to be able to not have to put your weight on that paradiddle. That's the hardest part. So let's just try the break. 4 paradiddle stamp. 4 of those things, and then paradiddle stamp. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the rhythm. So we try again? One more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So let's add it to the end of it. Just make sure my computer stays awake. I don't know why it has like no battery life to it. All right, single, single break, double, double break, triple, triple break, break. I'm gonna take a small video of that and just post that. All right, let's try it. 5, wait. Okay, just making sure I have a tempo. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. You gotta make sure that the 2 that you do after the triple, you're not including in that 4. You have a ball change in between that. Cool? All right, let's try it to some music. It's not too fast, I don't think. It's a little faster. Ready? 5. Here, I'll start it over and give us a better. know it's a little faster than we were planning on. That's okay. It's a little faster. We tried it. Let's try it again. What's the worst that happens? Gets a little better, but not perfect? Cool. That's the thing. It's like the second time you do it, the first time is like, oh, we hadn't done it with, stop interrupting me. We haven't done it with the music yet. It's not gonna be that good. We know that. Second time, it gets a little better. Just like a little bit better. And then it's, every time you do it after that, better and better and better. All right, let's try it again. Okay. I'm gonna wait till it gets to that spot again so it's the same. Get into the song. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. All right, what did we do with the last time? We make it fun. That's the most important thing. We got this. I love this song. It's just so happy. Song information is listed down below. Fun doing this combination. I know for some people starting on one with a time step is so counterintuitive, but I'm really, really proud of you for like challenging yourself with that. So it's so hard. Like I what did I do? Words, guys. I choreographed a piece where it started on 3. The time step started on 3, and for everyone it was like this whole like you had to take your brain and just kind of like put things in different places in order to catch it. It's just so counterintuitive. But it's always great to challenge yourself with counterintuitive rhythms, counterintuitive steps. It's so good for you. So I'm really, really proud of you. Thank you so much for joining me for this. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this. We've got choreography tutorials where you get to dance to like a really, really fun song. We've got technique exercises, I already mentioned that. We have step tutorials, like I talked about down below. We have vlogs, challenges. We have everything you need on this channel. It's all free and it's all for you. And I love being your YouTube tap teacher. The best way to support this channel is to subscribe, honestly. It's the best way to support it is to subscribe so that more tap dancers find it. The more subscribers I get, the more I can offer you. YouTube has this thing where it's like, if you hit a certain tier, now you can start offering this. You hit a certain tier, now you can start offering this. Kind of works like TikTok that way. So the more subscribers I get, the more I can offer you. And I'm so excited for that. The next milestone is getting close, so the best thing that you can do is subscribe to this channel, get your students, get your friends to subscribe to this channel. That would be amazing. I also do have a Patreon link if you want to go further with your support of this channel, but it's not necessary, just greatly appreciated. My patrons and I, we have a lot of fun over there with the cat videos that I post, and I do post some bonus stuff over there, so there's that too. But subscribe, please. And also, speaking of thumbs up, hit that thumbs up button so that other tap dancers can find this video easier, because that's how the YouTube algorithm works. I had a blast today. Thank you so much, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.